In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation with Copilot in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have PowerPoint open. It's important to verify that you're using the latest Microsoft 365 version and that you're signed in with an account that has Copilot access. This will ensure you get the full features of Copilot while creating your presentation. Once PowerPoint is ready, locate the Copilot icon on the ribbon. Go ahead and click that, and you'll see the Assistant panel pop up on the right side of your screen. This is where all the magic begins. Now let's talk about how to craft a clear prompt for Copilot. This is crucial for getting a great first draft. You want to be as specific as possible. Start with the core topic of your presentation and identify your target audience. This helps guide the tone and content that Copilot will generate. Next, specify the desired number of slides you want. Copilot needs to know how extensive you want your presentation to be. Do you want just a few slides for a quick overview, or are you looking for a comprehensive deck with detailed insights? Speaking of tone, make it clear if you'd like your presentation to have a professional vibe or a more casual feel. Showing your preferences up front will set the right tone for the information provided. Don't forget to detail any specific structural requirements. For instance, you could mention things like the need for an agenda, benefits of your topic, real-world examples, or even a strong call to action. This can help ensure that your content flows logically and engages your audience effectively. Tell Copilot about your visual and note preferences too. You could ask it to generate speaker notes to guide you through your presentation or to utilize clean, modern visuals. If you'd like to include simple charts, be sure to request that as well. Once Copilot generates the initial deck, it's time to refine it. You can make adjustments directly in the chat panel. For example, you can give follow-up prompts such as, make slide 2 more concise, or add a slide with 3 key statistics. You could also request changes in visuals, like asking for icons instead of stock photos. However, always remember to take on the role of the final editor. Copilot is an excellent starting point, but you want to ensure accuracy and clarity. Go through the slide text to make sure it's easily scannable and verify any facts. Adjust layouts or themes as needed to keep your presentation looking polished and professional. When you're satisfied with your work, it's time to save it. Navigate to the Save or Save As option in the File menu to name your presentation. I highly recommend saving your work to OneDrive. This way, it's not only backed up, but also easily shareable with others. Keep your presentation in the native PowerPoint format to allow for future editing. If you need a fixed copy to distribute, you can always export it to a PDF. And before you forget, turn on autosave to protect your progress automatically. And there you have it. You're now ready to create, refine, and save a presentation using Copilot in PowerPoint. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy presenting!